Using GAT Plus and GAT Unlock, admins can copy one user's folder to another user's My Drive. In this video, we'll be going over how you can accomplish this task. Please note that GAT Unlock is required. Start off by going to the Drive section of the GAT Plus tool. We'll first have to find the folder we want to copy. You can do this by applying a custom filter and using the various options to locate the folder. In this case, I'll be copying a marketing folder from one user to another user's My Drive. Here's the folder. By clicking the drop-down arrow next to its title, I can then select Copy this folder. If you would like to preserve the original create date and copy trashed files, make sure to enable those options. When ready, click Next to proceed further. Now select the user that will receive the folder and then the location the folder will be placed. When ready, click on Send Request. Your request will be sent to your domain's GAT Unlock security officer, who will need to approve it. Once approved, the folder will be copied. That covers this how-to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.